Hi everyone and welcome. Today's recipe is creamy ricotta cheese. This recipe yields an amazing creamy ricotta cheese. It's super easy to make. I think you'll enjoy this recipe, so let's get started. I'm going to add 5 cups of milk to my pot plus 1 cup of heavy cream. To that, I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. We take our milk, cream, and salt, stir really well, and heat it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, being careful not to scorch it. You don't want to bring this to a boil, you just want to bring it to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once our milk has reached 200 degrees, we turn off the heat and quickly add 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. You want to stir that in gently. You don't want to leave this on the heat, so we're going to remove it from the heat and let it sit for about 10 minutes so those curds can really form. Our curds have separated beautifully and they've settled on top. Oh, this is going to be amazing. And we're just going to strain that now. Take a strainer, line it with a coffee filter, add some cheesecloth, some fine mesh, place that on top. Take our curds and gently pour them in. Look at those beautiful curds. This is going to be an amazing ricotta. You can give it a good shake. Help things move along. That's the whey on the bottom. And we're just going to let that strain for about an hour. It's been about an hour, and it's time to strain our ricotta. We can see the whey is in there. That's the whey. And our ricotta is in here. So what we're going to do is just bring our cheesecloth together. Oh, that's drained nicely. Let the excess water drain off. Squeeze it out a bit. And it's ready. Oh, that looks beautiful. Set that aside. And we're just going to take our ricotta and turn it into here. So fold down your cheesecloth. Oh, this looks amazing. And flip it over. And our ricotta is ready. It looks amazing. It has the perfect consistency. That is absolutely perfect. Give it a good stir after you have it in your container. It's super creamy, so good. You will love the way this tastes. You can make it with lemon juice or apple cider vinegar. Both yield a wonderful, creamy ricotta. Look at how creamy that is. You'll really enjoy this. Have it on toast, make baked ziti, fill some cannoli, make some ravioli, make some lasagna. So good. So creamy, so amazing. And our ricotta is done. You can cover it and store it in the fridge for up to a week. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.